So, welcome back. I've got the parts cleaned, best of my ability. Remember, this is not a tutorial, so it doesn't matter what I do. But I think they're clean. I mean, look at this. Ooh, pivots are cleaned with a thing. Took the spring off, cleaned that. Looks pretty nice, I think. Yeah, I did actually find some rust inside there. I tried to get it off as best as I can. But yeah, the discoloration is still there. Just on this bit though. Very weird. Anyway, I think it's about time we reassemble it. And I had to take these pillars off, so I'll put them back on. And I'll put all the little bits, trinkets and stuff onto the plates. So we're ready for reassembly. So, I think this is the... Yeah, this is the plate I'm working on, isn't it? The long one goes there. Or is it the short one? Can't remember. I think it's this one. Yeah. And these, I think, had the spring on them, so they go at the back. So it doesn't want to go on there. It didn't want to come off either, actually. I remember one of them was pretty sticky. There we go. That's better, it's going on now. I'll tighten these up later when it's all together. Alright, so that's them in. What's next? Regulators. We got that. That. On this side. These actually screw in. I thought they were riveted, but they're actually threaded. If I can get it in. Alright, that's stiff enough. A bit too stiff actually. That's better. There we go. The other side, got a little spacey thing. Some of these pivot holes got discoloured by something. I don't know what it is. But yeah, some of them you can see the brass underneath, some of them are black. They're not dirty, they're just stained. So I'll undo that now because I need to put it back on later. Just go in there. Like, is it like that or like that? It's like that, I think. And that's where the spring goes. I don't know why there are two of them. Keep the spring in place, maybe? This goes through there. Just like that. You can see that one's not particularly important because it just does the motion work. It's not gonna... The rust stain's not gonna matter with the time. Can't work out how to get that off, but it'll be okay. We got this stuff. See if I can remember how to put this back together. I think this is right. I think we've got that sorted out. Which way does this go? Other way. Well, that seems too high up. Let's try this way again. Okay, it must be this way then. Yeah. Alright, so I think we should be good to put this back on. Remember, if you're raging at me for doing something, it's alright, it's not a tutorial. We can put this back on now. Haven't missed anything out. Oop. I love it when that happens. That's that side in already. Remember not to put, well, tell myself this is not a tutorial. Not going to put too much stress on the pivots because they might break. I think German clocks have fragile pivots. I don't know if that's true or not. I say it is because it's more cautious if I do. That went on surprisingly easily. Really nicely made movement, this. Usually I'm not a huge fan of small parts because they get easily broken and clatter around the place. Missing anything else? The other one of them. Let's do that up. And hopefully this moves all smoothly. Considering how filthy it was before, I'm hoping for at least some improvement. If not, it's just the satisfaction of having a clean movement. If this ever goes on. There we go. Yeah, look at that. Need to put barely any force on this, and it just moves. Brilliant. And this is where the spring goes as well. Should be easier from, yeah, look at that. Really easy. Excellent. So I think that's that means we clean the pivots up pretty well, and then parts are not dirty anymore, which is basically what clean means, isn't it? I think we can go with the spring now. All I can say is good luck to me, because I don't know how I'm going to stuff that massive spring in here without... Ooh, what's that doing there? It's like a mouse. Get off. Without causing damage. Right, that's in there. Probably be really easy, to be honest. Stuff that I always complain about is always really easy on this channel. Actually, what did I do the first time? I put it in like that, and then I put this in first, and then I did the hook on. However, this spring alignment thing is proving a bit of a pain. It's in the way all the time. Ooh, what was that? Oh, that's just them. Could take them off now, actually. Won't need them till later. Should probably move the camera further away. That's better, isn't it? Get a more overview of what I'm doing. Yeah, audience is going, you should have used a spring clamp. What are you talking about? Oh yeah, it's in. Look at that. Right, springtime. Alright, this is working out actually, because it's sort of surrounding itself. Who needs a spring clamp, eh? Ooh, look at that, that's in already. There we go, a good example of non-clamp abilities. Put this on now. It's the acid test. Yeah, it is stiff though, isn't it? See if I can compact this a bit. Would I recommend working on this movement? If you've got spring clamps, yes. If not, let's see how this works out for me. Put one of these on to stop it flying in my face, because I just know that's going to happen. It's all aligned correctly. Just needs to be in there. If you get the gist. Get the gist or get my fist. But I'm sure the idea that this is not a tutorial will escape some people, and they will be complaining about this. Yeah, what's up with this? Maybe I should try winding it up a bit. Oh, well, that's working. Oh, no, don't do that. Ah, you know what? I put this on the wrong way around, haven't I? Yeah. That's what you'll be complaining about. But I need to let this down now because I've just wound it up. I'll let this do its thing, probably destroying the pivots. Oop. Caught that between my knees. Yeah, I'll put this on backwards. You probably would have known that from the start. What on earth am I doing? Yeah. Don't know what to say, to be honest. Apart from I apologise for this. You know what, live a little, let's just undo it. Right, that actually worked. So, instead of this way around, it goes this way around. I can't believe I didn't notice. I'm usually good at noticing stuff, except that particular thing. Right. This should go on now. Yeah, look at that. Oh, I forgot the thing. And look at that, we got it together. After a lot of confusion, delusion and protrusion, we managed to do it. There are big chunky pliers on the floor. If something's somewhere on this channel, it's on the floor. Right, I'll do these up now. How surprised are you that I managed to get this back together without spring clamps? Probably as surprised as I am. If you're still watching this video, by the way, thanks. Means a lot. Subscribe. Or you won't see the rest of the series, because you'll have to search it up and you'll forget what the name was, because you haven't subscribed. That's a shiny movement, isn't it? Is it my first nickel-plated movement? Probably. I don't know whether the Swizz Baby was or not. Swizz Baby? What's that? That's one of my videos. Why don't you subscribe and find out? Why am I letting this unwind? I should just wind it up, shouldn't I? Oh, click, click. If the spring breaks, that's not my fault, because I noticed someone made the... Ooh. Someone made the hole in the spring themselves. That's the spring just sorting itself out, I think, isn't it? I think. Is the spring supposed to make that noise? Unhooking itself, maybe? No, it's winding up now. I'm always terrified of these big springs. Not terrified like, oh, there's a big spring, but terrified of what the damage they could do is. Why did I do that up now? I could have put the pallet in. Let's put the pallet in and see if it will run. Because I noticed... Ow, ooh, sharp balance wheel pivot. I noticed that one of these pins doesn't look straight as it should be. And I want to know if that's supposed to be like that or it's not. So we'll test it out. Yeah, I don't know what I've managed to do here, but guess what? Yeah, that's right. I put the escape wheel in upside down, and I thought, oh, it didn't fit the other way up. That's because I put this one in upside down as well. So yeah, always goes to show that you should probably look at what you're doing before you do it. I'll try and let down this spring now. I'll do it off camera because no one wants to see me do the same thing twice. Maybe you do? I don't know, doubt it. Well, fancy that. We got it. I did it, rearranged it all. So back to where we were, as if I didn't make the mistake. Good job I said this wasn't a tutorial, because it's not. And yeah. What? Impossible. You can't hand someone back their clock with the scratches all around the nuts. This is my clock, don't worry. Got it on eBay. Oh, off eBay. So, time to put the pallets in. Wherever it is. There it is. Wait, oh, what's up with this then? What's up with this? Well, it seems still not to be correct. Don't say I've put it in back the same way it was. Hang on a minute. So that goes that way around. Well, the escape wheel's definitely upside down. Hang on a minute. I'm going to try and look at this again. I bet I'll just put it back as it was, to be honest. So, take 3. Let's try again. I've rearranged it and hopefully I've got it different this time. Will it fit? Yesterday. Perfect. So, finally we got it right. Well, I got it right. You probably got it right. Let's get this in now. All right. Okay, I need to wind it up. Will it work? Let's hope so. How reflective is that plate? That's great. Plate's great. Alright, great news. This is working as it should be, and it's not even oiled yet. So, I will end the video now because I've only got like a bit left to record because there's space on the card. And next time we will be putting the balance wheel in and probably finishing the series off by putting it back in the clock. So yeah, or should I? No, the next I won't do that actually. The next video will be putting the balance wheel in. I put in it in a case because I want the last video to be trying to tackle that thing. It's an easy job after that, putting the hands on. But yeah, before that I've got the balance wheel and everything to do. Yes, I'll put this on actually. Because I took this off and I almost forgot I did. Screw there. Oh, the screen's getting dark, I don't know why. Probably unplugged the thing. Better stop the video before it goes corrupted or something. So yeah, wackaw.